bang, bang, bang. Am I glad I wore my first aid kit today? Howdy folks, Cody with SEWJOURN Gear. Today we're talking ankle first aid kits, or AFAKs. So let's get into it. As you can see, it's just an ankle first aid kit, and it velcros right around your ankle. Just like so. Your pants can fit right over it, like this. And nobody will ever know that you're prepared. So guys, let me start out by saying this. I am no expert on medical aid or even in firearms. I'm just interested in how it works, and I like making gear based on real people and their feedback. So this is a custom one I just made for a client of mine, and let's check it out. So first off, we got good sturdy Velcro. There's a bunch of it, so you get lots of good connection. So real solid around your ankle. In our first pocket here, we have our shears. In the inside pocket here, we have some of that really expensive combat gauze. It's supposed to help quick clot and things like that. Okay. Next up, we have our tourniquet, of course. And guys, take it from me, this is a cheap tourniquet. Spend a couple extra bucks and get the real cat tourniquets. Don't save a couple bucks. This is important, so get the good stuff. Shame on me for getting the crappy one. Next, we have our chest needle. Again, I don't know how to use this, but if anybody were to know how to use it, at least I would have it. Next, in this pocket, we have some sort of a compression bandage. I think this is a Israeli type compression bandage, and this I think is a 4-inch. This pocket could also accept a 6-inch wide version, so that's cool to have a little bit of adjustability. Inside, if you can see these little elastic loops, that's where the chest needle goes, and I also have a little one for a Sharpie too, so you can kind of keep those things secure. They're not just bouncing around in there. And then on the inside, there's a little Velcro sleeve, like this. And that's where I keep a set of gloves and a couple of these, 2 of these hyphen chest seals. And these are the compact versions. They are just a little bit more low profile than the full-size ones. And so there you go, guys. That's pretty much the kit. Pretty simple. It's made out of a 500 denier nylon. So it's lightweight, but it's also really durable. So that's the kit, guys. I'd love to hear your feedback and thoughts. And if you guys need anything sewn, you can reach me at SEWJOURNgear.com or Instagram at SEWJOURNgear. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.